I'm visiting Singapore Jurong Bird Park today to test the Sony A7 IV bird eye autofocus. The test is simple. How fast does the camera trigger the bird eye autofocus? And how accurately the camera can focus on the eyes. Let's go! So, the test script should show you what you could expect from Sony A7 Mark IV bird-eye autofocus. In short, the bird-eye autofocus works brilliantly on the birds with minimal movement. As long as you see the eyes AF overlays on the bird's eyes, you should be confident that the camera is accurately focusing on the eyes. However, fast-moving and flying birds could be a challenge to the bird-eye AF system. Sony A7 Mark IV swiftly identifies and tracks the flying birds, but I didn't see any bird-eye AF overlays in the replays. Here is a glance at the bird-eye AF success rate in different test scenarios. In case you skip the test scripts and wonder how I derived the percentages, there is a summary at the end of the 3 test scenarios that break down the number of successful and failure cases. So check them out for more details. And yes, the bird-eye AF works similar in the video shooting as well. Now comes the conclusion for Sony A7 Mark IV bird-eye autofocus. It is basic but functional. It won't turn a beginner into a professional, but it gives a certain level of assurance and confidence during the shoot. I will be showing you the animal eyes autofocus test in the coming video. So, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming video. Peace.